Hey there. Welcome to Harvey's RVs. My name is Harvey, and I'm sitting in an RV. I've dedicated this channel mostly to the repair and restoration of recreational vehicles from a hobbyist point of view. I'm not a professional. I do work as a mechanic, and so I make my living. But as far as like repairing recreational vehicles and restoring them, I'm not a professional. I've worked on one Class C motorhome other than this one. And when I bought this one as a project, I thought, well, hey, start a YouTube channel. I see other people with YouTube channels out there doing this, so I thought, I'll do it. In this channel, you're not only going to get RV repair, you'll see myself out camping in another camper that I have. I actually have a 35-foot bumper pull camper. You'll see, you maybe see some fishing, music, whatever, but mostly you'll see RV repairs, and you get to hear me rattle on. The only thing I can say that will set this channel apart from other RV channels is the amount of profanity that you're likely to hear on this channel. I am a profanitist. I'm kind of a master profanitist. So if you're offended by nasty words periodically that'll shoot out of my mouth when I'm frustrated with something, I apologize wholeheartedly. Right now, it's not. I'm not one of the people who say, "Oh, you're offended. Oh my goodness, well, screw you." No. I understand that I can be a little offensive at times. So I apologize now. I hope that doesn't chase you away from this channel, and I will try to keep it down to a minimum, but it can be tough. My next video will be basically an overview of this particular motorhome I'm sitting in. It's a 1989 Winnebago Warrior Class C motorhome, and it needs a good bit of work, and you're going to see me restoring it to the point of being useful. I won't cut a lot of corners or anything like this, but you will see me trying to put this thing on the road so we can use it. That's my ultimate goal. I'm not trying to polish it up and make a glamper or anything like that out of it. I just want another camper that I can just hop in and go. Honestly, my bumper pull camper can be a bit trying at times because I have to hook it up and we got to pull it out and back it in and all this kind of stuff, and I absolutely love it, but sometimes I just want to be able to hop in and go fishing or something and decide whether I'm going to stay out fishing for the night or come home without having to hook up a 35-foot camper to do so. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the insanity that's going to ensue and some of the music. Bye.